Miss Grand International Emma Mary Tiglao at Mr. Nawat, balik Pilipinas na, grabe dinumog ng media sa airport. First runner-up Gatchabel, dumating na rin. Nagbabalik Pilipinas na si Emma Mary Tiglao kasama si Mr. Nawat. Paglabas pa lang ni Mr. Nawat at Emma sa airport ay sinalubong na agad ng media, partikular ang media kung saan si Emma nagtatrabaho, at isang ambush interview ang isinagawa. Kitang-kita naman ang saya sa mukha ni Mr. Nawat na masaya ring sumagot sa mga tanong ng media.
Thank you very much for some of my heart. Your support is Grand International, and I bring them all you winners coming back now. Emma Tiglao, are you happy to see her? Thank you so much all of you too.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo naman po, itong tagumpay na ito ay tagumpay po nating lahat. Maraming salamat po. The power of bayanihan. We got the back-to-back victory. I hope to see you all tomorrow. It's gonna be a grand homecoming parade, and CJ Piazza and a lot more queens will be coming there. Also, my first runner-up, Gatchabel from Thailand. See you all. Kaya I hope to see you all tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please stop it. Oo nga eh, mamaya pa ata siya. Yes, sir.
At ngayong ng umaga ng Lunes ay dumating na rin si Belle sa airport, at doon ay anabangan din siya ng fans at media. Matapos na dumugin ng mga fans, dumiretso ang MGI team sa Net25 for a media tour, at doon ay anabangan siya ng mga kasama sa trabaho, at ng napakaraming fans. Anong masasabi mo rito? Please comment down. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.